What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys, finally, the cases for the iPhone 15. This is the FineWoven blue case. I've done one for the black on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and another one here for the Pro. You guys can check all that out. This one I really like here as it's super sleek and it looks really good, especially with your yellow iPhone 15. With that said, this is not a sponsored video. They did not send this to me complimentary. I did purchase this with my own money, but I will have affiliate links down below, all the products that we go over here today. With that said, let's go and show you what this looks like. FineWoven is super interesting here. As you can see here, it's got kind of this sharp look to it. I really like it, but it's super smooth. It's got like this silky feeling here, but it's a recycled FineWoven plastic, which is incredible. It's an amazing soft to the touch, but you can definitely feel that it is a fabric. And so, you know, with that, you may have a risk of punching a hole in it. I don't know, I haven't tested that out. With that said, I am a little disappointed that the FineWoven doesn't go all the way around into the inside. It does have a polycarbonate material here that it is glued to. So you can see here that the FineWoven is kind of, it stops right there on the edge and on the seam here of the camera bump. As you can see in the hand, it's kind of shiny, honestly, as it reflects some of the light from my lights there. My favorite part here is the anodized buttons here, which are really nice. And they do have a punch out there for the do not disturb, you know, mute button. But for the volume rocker there, you can still see that it's got the anodized button as well, which is great. And then the punch outs here on the bottom side for the USB Type-C and camera bump. With that said, on the inside here is Magsafe. They do have it lined with that typical very soft microfiber material, which is cool, but it doesn't go all the way up like some of the other cases that I've seen. Let's go ahead and place it on here, and hopefully we're gonna be able to see the animation. I guess it doesn't do it with the 15. That's kind of annoying. It doesn't do the animation there. I've tried like 10 times already. With that said, in the hand, I think it looks super sleek here. As you can see, it's nice and fine woven. You can see it kind of reflecting off of my light there. I like the blue and the yellow juxtaposition. It's nice and clicky. You have access to your, you know, your mute switch as well as the power, and it's just nice in the hand. I really like that. Showing you some of my favorite Magsafe compatible devices here. We're gonna go ahead and hit that button. It's going to charge at about 5 watts here. This is from the folks at iWalk. This is a 5,000 milliamp battery here with LED, as well as this ring here if you wanted to hold it for content creation. It's a little bulky here. Nonetheless, you can still opt into that. I have this SnapGrip here from the folks at ShiftCam. It does 5,000 milliamps as well, and it does have a trigger, which is cool for your shutter button. It also has this additional like accessory that you can slap on here if you wanted to make it a full vlogging content creation device here, which is really cool. Otherwise, you can opt into something like this Murpiso 3-in-1 charging bank if you wanted to charge your, you know, Magsafe Apple products here. I've got my Apple Watch. I've got the Magsafe here for the phone as well as the AirPods, which is cool. With that said, my pugnos, I'm still sitting on the fence here whether FineWoven is my go-to. With that said, I really like the feel. I like the Magsafe capability. I am a little disappointed that it doesn't, unfortunately, do the animation. I'm sure with a software update, it will push that. Nonetheless, guys, if this is something you're interested in, I'll have links down below in the description, which will help out. Otherwise, this is Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one.